a very happy Mother's Day to you all. And all my dear children, go and wish your mama also a very happy Mother's Day. Did you all understand? Yes. Today we are going to have the special assembly. It is being conducted by 1E and 1G children along with the head boy and head girl.
Respected headmistress ma'am, Saudi managers, coordinators, teachers and my dear friends. A very good morning to you all. We, the children of grade 1E and grade 1G, will be conducting today's assembly on Mother's Day. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Good morning everyone. To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world. Thank you. My mom's patient, my mom's patient. Look and see, look and see. I love her, she loves me. Lucky me, lucky me. I love my mommy, I love my mommy. Yes, I do, yes, I do. Mothers are for hugging, mothers are for kissing. I love you, I love you. Good morning, respected headmistress, ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Neha from class 1A and I am going to say a few words on the auspicious occasion of Mother's Day. Mother is a symbol of unconditional love. A mother sacrificed everything for her children. She dedicated her whole life for her children. Without a mother, existence would not have been possible. So all my dear friends, on this special day, let's give our mothers a tight hug and say, Mom, I love you the most in this world, and make this Mother's Day truly special for her. Thank you. Good morning, respected headmistress, ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Miss Mai from class 1E and I am going to say a few words on the auspicious occasion of Mother's Day. Mother, a symbol of unconditional love. A mother sacrifices everything for her children. She dedicates her whole life for her children without expecting anything in return. She shows us the right path in life. So all my dear friends, on this special day, let's give our mothers a tight hug and say, Mom, I love you the most in this world, and make this Mother's Day truly special for her. Thank you. Have a nice day.
God cannot be everywhere, so He sent mothers to take care of you all. Did you understand? Yeah. Who takes care of us? Mother. For everything, everything. I request Sarah ma'am to come and say a few words.
Today's special assembly is on Mother's Day. Who's one person who loves you unconditionally? Yes. Who cares for you? Yes. Who is in pain when you are unhappy? Who is that person? Mother. She's always by your side, whether it is good, bad, and she's always supporting you, caring for you, loving you.
She gives us medicine when we are sick.
Really, that's so important. Okay, the list is, it will go on and on because mother is one special person. And so, go home today, hug your mother, tell her that you love her, give her a card, care for her, give importance to her like she does for you. Okay? Happy Mother's Day on behalf of grade 1, on behalf of Armin ma'am, on behalf of all the teachers of grade 1, a very happy Mother's Day to all your moms.
Thank you, Sarah ma'am. everybody go home, hug your mother and tell, I love you. I love you, mom. Okay?
Today I feel immense happiness to be a part of this celebration and talking about motherhood. First of all, I would like to show my gratitude to every mother who has nurtured the one with unconditional love. I wish today Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. This angel makes our life simple and full of love. On this day, it is our responsibility to make her day special. I request you all, when you go back to home, give hug to your mother and thank her for all her care and love. Always remember, east or west, mother is always best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Mother, a symbol of unconditional love. A mother sacrifices everything for her children. She dedicates her whole life for her children. Without expecting anything in return, she shows us the right path in life. Without a mother, our existence would not have been possible. Today, I feel blessed to get this chance to thank my mother for everything that she does for me. She's the most precious person in my life. So all my dear friends, on this special day, let's give her a tight hug and say, Mom, I love you the most in this world. And make this Mother's Day truly special for her. Thank you.